It's great to have you on Checkpoint. Welcome to the broadcast. I'm Jesse Rogers. Our sign language interpreter is Damian Evans. Let's get you informed. Now, President William Ruto has said the government will recruit 20,000 teachers to bridge the teachers' gap in the country. President Ruto was speaking when he attended the celebration of 100 years of AIPCA Church held in Kasarani, Nairobi. Jeff Kirui with the story.
In a bid to facilitate the implementation of the competency-based curriculum CBC, President William Ruto says the government has budgeted to employ more teachers, expected to take effect in the 2024-2025 financial year beginning this July.
Mwaka uliopita tuliajiri waalimu 56,000. Mwaka huu tutaajiri waalimu 20,000. Budget yetu tumeongeza karibu bilioni 127 ya kusaidia masomo ya watoto wa taifa letu la Kenya.
President Ruto calling for unity to drive the development agenda as he cautioned against politics of division.
I am very confident that Kenya is going to be a greater country than we have ever imagined by working together.
During the event to celebrate 100 years of AIPCA Church, Ruto committed to financially support the institution.
Hiyo kujenga college yenu ya kanisa Askofu Mudhuri, nimeambiwa ya kwamba mko na shamba na nitapanga na hawa watu yangu tuwapatie milioni 50 ya kumaliza hiyo.
Lazima tuongee lugha moja, tukae tumeungana na tukae na umoja. Because as president now, if we split in factions, he cannot engage.
AIPCA Church has been under intense leadership wrangles that threaten to split the institution, and President William Ruto acknowledged the role played by retired President Uhuru Kenyatta in unifying the church.
Na mimi nataka nimshukuru kwa sababu alichangia sehemu kubwa kuunganisha kanisa letu.
Hii kanisa ikiongea sauti moja, we know our government is safe. Sababu hawa ndio serikali. This is another government. Hii ni serikali ya rais. Na ikiwa inaongea sauti moja, it is good for this country. Na mimi nataka niombe viongozi tuendelee kukaa na umoja na amani.
May your unity be the song that you sing every day. And may you give an example to all the other churches, especially all of those that are younger than 100 years.
Serikali ya Kenya kwanza inashikilia kanisa. We are led by two great leaders who are not ashamed of the gospel. So if the church was to feel safe within a government, this is the government to approach for your issues.
Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
Moving on, leaders